Hi guys. I have been waiting for this, severe thunderstorm to happen. Well, guys, here in my hometown where I live in an area in Tennessee. Uh, we didn't get but nothing but rain and wind. No thunder, no lightning. And so far, we've not had any reports of any damage that's been done. And I don't know, I'm clueless as to what happened. Like, did it skirt up and around us? Did it go all around us, like, completely? Like, did it go up and down around us, whatever? I don't get it.